Hello fellow rosarians, thank you for joining me today. I'm here in my memorial garden and I wanted to share with you Savannah. I just planted these Savannahs this year and I picked them up from Lowe's Bare Root. What a wonderful rose. Look at that pretty color. It's highly petaled. The bloom is large. I'm guessing that this is 4 inches in size. This rose also has a really nice fragrance. It's sweet. So if you are looking for a disease-resistant rose, highly petaled with fragrance, you really need to consider Savannah. Thanks so much for joining me, rosebuds. I'll see you in the next video.